Have you ever wished your backyard could feel like a luxury resort without spending a fortune? What if a simple patio bar could instantly turn ordinary weekends into unforgettable gatherings? Are you looking for stylish outdoor bar ideas that impress guests while making entertaining easier? From modern built-in bars to portable bar carts and tropical tiki escapes, which design is right for your home? Stay with us as we explore the most creative patio bar ideas for 2026 that can completely transform your outdoor living space. Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video. Why are patio bars so popular for outdoor entertaining in 2026? Patio bars create a dedicated gathering space outdoors. They make serving drinks and snacks much more convenient. Modern designs fit both small and large backyards. They add style, function, and personality to patios. Many homeowners use them to enhance social experiences. A well-designed patio bar becomes the centerpiece of entertaining. Great outdoor spaces start with great ideas. Keep exploring inspiration and discover new ways to make your home more enjoyable, functional, and welcoming for every occasion. What are the benefits of a built-in patio bar? Built-in patio bars offer a permanent and polished look. They blend seamlessly with existing outdoor kitchens. Storage and countertop space are usually more generous. Durable materials help them withstand outdoor conditions. They can increase both functionality and property appeal. Many homeowners see them as a long-term investment. Every improvement starts with a simple idea. Take time to explore designs, gather inspiration, and find creative solutions that fit your lifestyle and future goals. Why should you consider a portable bar cart? Bar carts provide flexibility for different gatherings. They can be moved wherever guests are gathered. Most require less space than permanent installations. They are available in many styles and price ranges. Storage shelves keep essentials organized and accessible. A stylish cart can enhance any outdoor setup instantly. Small changes can have a big impact. Keep discovering practical ideas that help you create spaces that are both beautiful and useful every day. What makes a tiki bar a fun backyard feature? Tiki bars bring a tropical vacation atmosphere home. Natural materials create a warm and inviting look. They encourage relaxation and casual entertaining outdoors. Decorative details add personality and visual interest. Guests often enjoy the unique and playful theme. A tiki bar can transform an ordinary patio completely. The best spaces reflect your personality and creativity. Continue exploring fresh ideas that can help you design a home environment you truly enjoy. How can you design a patio bar for a small space? Small patios can still accommodate stylish bar setups. Choose compact furniture with built-in storage options. Use vertical shelving to maximize available space. Foldable pieces help maintain flexibility when needed. Light colors can make the area feel larger. Smart planning creates comfort without overcrowding. Creative solutions often come from limited space. Keep exploring ideas that help you make the most of every corner of your home. Which materials work best for outdoor patio bars? Weather-resistant materials provide long-lasting performance outdoors. Stone offers durability and a timeless appearance. Stainless steel delivers a sleek, modern aesthetic. Treated wood adds warmth and natural character. Concrete creates a contemporary and sturdy surface. Material selection affects both style and maintenance. Choosing the right materials is an important step in any project. Continue researching options to find what works best for your needs and preferences. How important is lighting around a patio bar? Lighting enhances both safety and atmosphere outdoors. LED strips add a modern and inviting glow. Pendant lights can create a stylish focal point. Soft lighting encourages relaxation during evening gatherings. Proper illumination improves functionality after sunset. Thoughtful lighting transforms the entire entertainment experience. Details often make the biggest difference. Keep looking for simple upgrades that can elevate the comfort and appearance of your living spaces. What seating works best for a patio bar? Comfortable seating encourages guests to stay longer. Bar stools remain the most popular choice. Backrests provide additional support and comfort. Weather-resistant materials help furniture last longer. Adjustable options accommodate different user preferences. The right seating balances style and practicality. Comfort and design work best together. Explore ideas that help create welcoming spaces where family and friends enjoy spending time. How can storage improve a patio bar setup? Storage keeps the patio bar organized and efficient. Cabinets protect supplies from outdoor conditions. Shelves provide easy access to frequently used items. Hidden storage helps maintain a clean appearance. Good organization reduces clutter during gatherings. Smart storage makes entertaining more enjoyable. Organization can transform any space. Keep exploring practical ideas that combine beauty, convenience, and everyday functionality. What decorative elements can enhance a patio bar? Decor adds personality and visual appeal instantly. Plants create a fresh and welcoming atmosphere. Signs and artwork can reinforce a chosen theme. Colorful accessories bring energy to the space. Textures add depth and design interest. Decorative touches make the area feel complete. Personal touches help turn ordinary spaces into memorable ones. Continue discovering creative ways to express your style through design. How can you make a patio bar more functional? Plan the layout around convenience and accessibility. Keep serving areas within easy reach. Include sufficient countertop space for preparation. Add storage solutions to reduce clutter. Provide comfortable seating for guests. Functionality helps create a smoother hosting experience. Well-planned spaces often feel more enjoyable to use. Explore ideas that improve both the appearance and performance of your home. A great patio bar is more than just an outdoor feature. It's a place where people come together, share stories, and create lasting memories. Whether you prefer a sophisticated built-in bar, a versatile bar cart, or a fun tropical tiki setup, the right design can completely transform your outdoor space. The ideas we've explored today show that style, comfort, and functionality can work together beautifully. No matter the size of your patio or budget, there is a perfect solution waiting to be discovered. With thoughtful planning and creative inspiration, you can create an outdoor entertaining space that you'll enjoy for years to come. Keep exploring new ideas, stay inspired by creative designs, and continue finding ways to make your home more beautiful, functional, and enjoyable every day.